In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you just how to put your Toshiba laptop into sleep mode using your keyboard. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a few different options. If you have a crescent moon icon on your keyboard or a moon icon, that's usually the easiest way. If you just tap on that, it should put your computer immediately into sleep mode. You may also have additional options if you look up your specific model of Toshiba device, and they may have specific function key combinations you could select. Alternatively, you can also tap the Alt and the F4 key on your keyboard to open up your additional power options here. So if you want to shut down your computer or sleep it, you can select the drop down and then select one of the options here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.